Good morning. Oh, sorry, good afternoon. I believe today is what? Saturday, 16th of October? 16th or 17th of October. The leaves are falling. See? The leaf is falling. It's on me as well. I'm gonna show you the me today. Yeah, see, it just came on my shoulder. It's like a you know, the army people, they have the badge. So nature gave me this badge. How are you guys doing? This is Imran Malik, your host of Seven Turtles. I'm gonna give you a small brief today what I did. I started working on the other extreme end of my cabin's beam support. So almost every second day I'm coming over here to check on this concrete pour. I haven't loaded it. I have now decided that I will this one I will load it in a month's time, when it has its 99.9% strength, which is 6000 psi. I couldn't find the concrete for 6000 psi anymore, but now I have staged this, called raw material staging. I have staged 4000 psi one, and you see the jacks over there, guys, and on the left side you can see this one. This is the 2 concrete blocks now. Before there were 4 concrete blocks over here supporting the beam right over there. This is the end of the beam, right? This is the end of the beam, where the end of the ruler is. It ends right on this joist, and now this joist and this joist has a distance of 11 centimeters inside, almost the size of 12-inch tube. So I can excavate that, since I have a couple of inches to almost 3 inches between edge of this joist and the edge of this concrete block, all the way going over there. So 3-inch clearance with the dig hole is okay, given that I have placed this 2x6 all along, which can bear the load of these 2 hollow concrete blocks. I have shimmed it up properly, and I have done another thing. I've shimmed it up properly. I've shimmed that support properly as I was uploading. What happened is that my roof over here used to leak. Right over here used to leak. Since I jacked it up properly, now this beam with the post is a little lower than that part, so water is coming this way. So that's an automatic advantage of lifting this beam. I lifted around 1.25 inches, so I let the jacks leave over here. It's still around 3 o'clock. I can start digging over there, right over here, right now. But what I want is to leave all these supports. Another support I made, guys, another support is right over here. I'll show you. Let me get under it. So another support I made right over here, guys. If you can see this support, this one. So there are 2 concrete blocks. These 2 concrete blocks, they're gonna bear the load of this side of the cabin, because there is gable on this wall that is taking the load. So other than this is the safety end. Remember, in the front I put the posts just under the gable end, under the gables, 2 6x6x8 posts. If you see the part 1 of foundation repair, It's the similar concept, because the wall, this wall is bearing the load of the gable on this side, which is taking the ridge beam load and the whole roof's load. So I'm just taking cautions and placing this under over here. This 2x8 is also fixed under the joists which are sitting on the beam, and those joists are taking the load of the wall up there. So this is properly shimmed, that is properly shimmed. Two jacks, 4, and the I-beam 5. 5 supports. So basically this is gonna be the area of excavation right over here. This is gonna be the area. But at 24 hours I'm gonna leave these 2 supports to see the settlement over here. I want it to settle as much as it likes, and then I'm gonna start excavating. So guys, I'm gonna come tomorrow. All the raw material is available. Jacks are up. I'm gonna leave today, take some rest, come early in the morning, check the settlement, check if there is any free floating supports. I'm gonna again shim them up before I start the excavation. This excavation is very critical. Over there I had an exit, so my strategy would be that I would excavate a little bit, take a rest, excavate a little bit, take a rest. And similar, when I put the sauna tube, I'm gonna keep pouring little bit concrete, take rest, little bit concrete, take rest. Oh my god. So there is Yale, like, see guys, ice. Okay guys, I think I have to see. It's gonna get crazy. So this is the progress of today. I'm gonna bring you guys back tomorrow, the Sunday. Hopefully, with the grace of higher power, I'll finish this job and then start finishing inside. I contacted my material supplier today for giving me insulation. That's very expensive. I hope I can afford that, given these days I'm tight on finances. Thank you very much. Be safe and enjoy the ice. How do you say, Yale? This is your host of 7 Turtles, Imran Malik. Subscribe and like my like my channel if you want to. But look at the cabin, it's beauty, and look at it's raining. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a comment and be safe, drive safe. Thank you very much. Happy October.